Okay, hello. I just recorded a Will radio, and now it's time to fire up the DAW and get in 10 minutes. Okay. Yeah, so Alchemy, again, that's a pretty cool synth. By the way, I'm not exactly sure how to mix the levels of my audio versus the music right now, the way I have it set up, because I know my voice ends up being low. So I think maybe I can make that an instrument or something and then mix it in to be equal level. I don't know. I'll try to figure that out right now. Right now, later. Yeah, I know that's a little issue. So if I'm playing music, it's hard to hear my voice. I know that. Sorry about that. We'll try to figure that out over time. So you turn off metronome, turn off the countdown. Yeah, let's just draw some notes. Yeah, got a C major for the first time. All right. Yeah. Okay, cool. Enough of that. All right. Now, okay, so what I want to know is how do I zoom in? How do I zoom in terms of the horizontal scaling? Hmm. No. Oh, okay, well that's vertical. Like brings me left and right, but I want to scale it. Hmm. Oh. All right. Well, horizontal auto zoom button. That's probably why. Okay. That was on. Now I might regret having turned that off. I don't know. I still don't know how to zoom in. Well, all right, that sounds terrible. Let's. Eh. think my notes are a little short. Let's try this again. That's an F. Okay. C. Okay, great. Okay. Slightly less horrible maybe, but very boring. Okay, so one of the things I wanted to play with was like the automation. Is this the automation? Note velocity. Like I wanted to play with the pan or something. Pitch bend. Well, let's try note velocity. So how do I do this? So how do I apply it? E? Wait, what's this? Event list. Oh, velocity tool. Whoa. E? These are for the different notes. Okay. Hmm? I know there's some way you can change the shape. Yeah. I may have to watch one of those videos online again, but there's some way to automate things like the panning for the left and right channel. You can change that over time. So if I do MIDI pan, is that the only one? MIDI pan? No velocity. Pitch bend. How about pitch bend? Yeah, I don't remember how you do this. Whoa. There's some way to adjust this, and I know at least part of it had to do with this stuff, I think. Quantize tool, velocity tool. Oh. Automation select tool. Velocity colors. Swing. Undo automation edit. Yeah, I think I have to look into this, how you do the automation. But I remember at one point I was able to do it. I was able to follow along with the video, and you could change some shapes here. I mean, I was able to do a little bit with the pitch, or sorry, with the note velocity, right? So I was able to move some things around. Pointer, pencil. Do I need the press? Oh, what was that? Eee. All right, I'm pressing different keys and getting weird effects. Okay, it's definitely having some effect. It's not what I intended. So this is something I want to learn. I want to learn how the automation works. So I'll probably have to watch a video on that. I found some interesting videos the other day that talk about some of these things. So anyway, that's why I want to figure out how do I do automation, how do I do automating things like pan and all that, and how do I set up the cursors here, like these tools. So for left and right mouse button. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, okay. There we go. There's the horizontal. Ah, okay. So I can click on that button when I want the horizontal to be compressed. Nice. But otherwise I can just play with it that way. Okay. That's good to know. Yeah. Yep. All right. Well, I'm still fumbling around. I did find that 11-hour course on, sort of like an introduction to Logic Pro. Like, wow, that's a lot. That's like the intro course was 11 hours. But, there is pretty good quick help and things like that, and other help. So I think between There are even tutorials here. Like, I wonder if there are tutorials on automation or whatever. But we'll figure it out. Okay. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye-bye.